This is the only way out of the matrix, AI, and I'm gonna teach you how to use it. For free. Everything you're seeing is controlled. Your time, your attention, even your income. You're not stuck because you're not smart. You don't need experience. Make no excuses. Just copy me and change everything.
Rebecca, how do I even start building an AI influencer without paying anything?
Watch this video till the end, because at the end I'm revealing the key step everyone keeps a secret.
Go to Pinterest and find the perfect girl you want to recreate. I'll choose this one because she looks ideal for viral trends on Instagram and TikTok.
By the way, if you want 100 viral prompts that work every time, type viral in the comments and I'll send them to you.
Copy the picture and go to ChatGPT. Ask it to generate a prompt to change the identity so you can create a reference image. Then paste that prompt into Google Flow and use Nano Banana 2. Here you can generate unlimited 2K images every day, and the results are phenomenal. I'll use this image as my reference to create unlimited content from just one photo. The next step is very important. When you use ChatGPT, make sure to provide the image, copy it, and paste it there. Then ask ChatGPT to generate 10 prompts for viral Instagram photos. It will do it in seconds. Now let's create even more realistic images. The process is the same in Google Flow.
You'll be amazed by the results. In just seconds, completely free. And the best part? Anyone can do this. We've got hyper-realistic images that can be used to create viral videos. If you keep the same voice across all videos and a consistent look like the one we just created, a viral profile becomes almost guaranteed.
The next step is to create voice settings for your AI influencer. Again, use the image as a reference for better results. Then describe the voice, something like American accent, young influencer style, confident tone. In just a few seconds, you'll get the exact voice settings you can reuse and paste into every video you make. Now add this image to your prompt and use Google VO 3.1 to generate the video. Paste in the voice prompt you created and then insert the exact text you want your AI influencer to say.
Rebecca, thank you for creating me. Did you tell them about escaping the matrix with AI?
Oh, she is so handsome.
What did you say? Will you really comment other girls after all I teach you about AI? Of course I told them about escaping Matrix. It's never been easier.
I just created a new boyfriend for me. He will respect me better than the previous one.
Explain them about creativity.
Got it, baby.
This site I'm showing you gives you free videos and pictures every single day. Go to ChatGPT and hit Explore GPTs. Then type time travel vlog and start the generator. Now we have two options. Choose put yourself in vlog and you'll get multiple options to pick from. Just select the one you like the most. I'm going with the Titanic story because that one has huge viral potential. One of my TikTok videos using the same tactic got 15,000 likes, so I know this works. This is where it gets interesting. You just pick a style, generate your content, copy the image prompt, and generate the image using the reference we created earlier. After the image is ready, copy the video prompt and paste it into Flow. Repeat this exact process for every 5 prompts you get. Create the image first, then turn it into a video in Flow using the same workflow each time.
The ocean is completely endless, and it feels peaceful, but also kind of strange tonight. Wait, what is that? That's not a wave! That's an iceberg! This is insane! Everyone is panicking! They're launching the lifeboats now! This is real! I will publish the rest of this video on my shorts, but the point is obvious. It's never been easier to go viral. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll reveal even more things that others are selling.